To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. A conjunction is a word that links other words, phrases, and clauses together. So a conjunction is a linking word. By linking different parts of sentences, conjunctions allow us to formulate longer and complex sentences. Some examples of conjunctions are and, but, so, or, for, although, because, as, etc. An example of a conjunction linking words is I like to eat fish and chips. The conjunction in this sentence is and. It links the words fish and chips. An example of a conjunction linking phrases is we will either go to the park or to the cinema. The conjunction in this sentence is or. It links the phrases to the park and to the cinema. An example of a conjunction linking clauses is I knocked on Tina's door, but she wasn't home. The conjunction in this sentence is but. It links the clauses I knocked on Tina's door and she wasn't home. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Each type of conjunction is used differently. A coordinating conjunction joins words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance. The coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. An easy way to remember these is to use the word fanboys. For example, would you like an apple or banana? The conjunction in this sentence is or. I woke up early so I could walk the dog. The conjunction in this sentence is so.